के खोजेको oranges त घरमै छ त अनि there you go let's grab naked just for you you're carrying everything so अहिले चाहिँ shopping गर्दाखेरि we have to go one way अनि at least 2 meter distance मा बस्नुपर्छ सबैजना say cheese by the way we're not allowed to take the basket we don't want to spend 10p on the plastic no
I have my bag
alright welcome back to my channel everyone this is GSEGA and
this is GDiipa
र अहिले चाहिँ हामी टेस्कोबाट शपिङ गर्न निस्केको as you can see बाहिर चाहिँ हैन मान्छेहरु क्यू लागिरहेछ शपिङ गर्नलाई 2 मिटर डिस्टेन्स रहेर स्टिल तर गुड न्यूज इज हाम्रो युके मा चाहिँ लकडाउन बिस्तारै खोलेको छ त्यसकारणले चाहिँ मास्क अफ आज चाहिँ दिपालाई चाहिँ हुन्छ नि उ चाहिँ यहाँ युके आएको 6 मन्थ्स भइसक्यो हैन
ओभर
अनि ओभर भइसक्यो तर उ चाहिँ यहाँ धेरै घुम्न पाएको छैन त्यसकारणले चाहिँ म यस्तो हुन्छ नि यस्तो अवसर के उलाई चाहिँ म जस्तो टुरिस्ट गाइड हुन्छ नि आज उलाई चाहिँ डरलडोर भन्ने ठाउँमा लगिरहेको छु यो चाहिँ डोरसेट भन्ने ठाउँमा युके को अहिले चाहिँ 10 बजिरहेको छ यहाँबाट त्यो डरलडोर भन्ने ठाउँमा जान चाहिँ it will take 2 hours drive so अब चाहिँ हामी ड्राइभ गर्छु anyways welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of
Sega vlog
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 Sega vlog Sega vlog
someone is sleeping अहिले चाहिँ हामीले हल्का ब्रेक लिएको टोटल चाहिँ it was कति 90 miles देखाएको थियो अहिले चाहिँ फोन आयो कसको फोन आयो 629233
let me
answer
Kevin hey
Hello G.
hi Kevin
Hi, Kevin here. Please check your the group WeChat.
group WeChat
I just
okay
send the sample.
oh that's great
Because the workers is waiting here.
okay that's great thank you I will check now
Okay, thank you.
bye bye it's ready
alright okay
our
so
sample is ready
our sample is ready
yeah
but
what is that you don't know
yeah you don't know क्या हुँदैछ
ooh it looks nice
god damn it looks so nice so guys मैले चाहिँ I've been telling you that I've been working on something lately so भर्खरै चाहिँ केभिनले चाहिँ कल गर्यो अनि he has finalized our sample okay I need this blue tack मेरो GoPro अड्काउन लाग्छ oh my god look at the queue guys shit ठिकै छ alright कतरी फोन गर्दै got my blue tack here दिपा चाहिँ पुरा आउटफिट चेन्ज गरेर आएको छ but anyways अब चाहिँ हामी दुई जनाले चाहिँ अस्ति नै एउटा गीत रेकर्ड गरेको थियो हैन सो गीतको नाम चाहिँ A Whole New World हो अनि we love singing अनि हामीले चाहिँ रेकर्ड गरेको थियो so what you gonna see in next frame is हामी चाहिँ we're gonna play that song which we recorded अनि यहाँ चाहिँ गाडीमा बजाएर चाहिँ we'll be doing a carpool so let's do this guys
GoPro set गर्नु भएको छ apparently मेरो कारमा चाहिँ यो टास्ने कुरा थिएन so we got it from his car तर टासिन so यो blue tack ल्याएर टासेको भगवान मेरो उठाले this is take 100 this is Sega this is GDiipa
and this is Istanbul version of
A Whole New World from the movie Aladdin
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me this is now when did you last let your heart decide?
I don't know.
I can open your eyes.
My eyes are already open.
Take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways and under. Oh no, magic carpet ride. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. Open and way up here, it's crystal clear. And now I'm in a whole new world. Unbelievable sight, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000 things to
It gets
see.
better.
I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far, I can't go back to where I
A whole
used to
new
be.
world, a new horizon
And
to
moments were
pursue.
there.
I'll choose them anywhere. It's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world,
This where we'll be.
a dreaming chase
A wondrous place
for you and me.
Perfecto.
So many takes.
Okay, we are here finally. Apparently मैले जे सोचे चाहिँ त्यही भयो मान्छेहरु एकदम प्याक छ यहाँ तर हामी चाहिँ we are somewhere where there are few people उता बीचतिर गयो भने it's like super packed. So how you feeling Deepa? कस्तो भयो त कस्तो लाग्यो त ठाउँ?
I'm so happy. एकदम रमाइलो.
Yeah.
And then this is like कस्तो के? It's like dreamland type go. Because I've never been Estoma. I've always been in city area and I feel so free.
Oh. मलाई त के नेपालको याद आयो नेपालको माउन्टेनहरुको याद आयो यहाँ चाहिँ बीच छ अनि that is the Dodolo guys त्यहाँ चाहिँ मान्छेले चाहिँ जम्प भन्न लागिरहेको छ हो त्यहाँ माथिबाट I don't know if you guys can see मेरो iPhone 11 बाट सबैजना चिच्चाइरहेको छ and there is no social distancing whatsoever यो च्यानल खोलेबाट चाहिँ मलाई फेरि के पहिला जस्तै भ्लगहरु गर्न ह्याप्पी रमाइलो लागिरहेको छ के I used to do a lot of travel. I think हाम्रो first travel vlog होला है
Mini.
Mini? Yeah. So this is our first mini travel vlog. अनि हामी चाहिँ अहिले त्यो क्लिफमा गएर राम्रो राम्रो ड्रोन शट्सहरु खिच्छौं. So be patient, धैर्य गरेर बस्दिनु होला. So बाटो चाहिँ यस्तो छ है. सिधा गएर त्यहाँ पुग्नुपर्छ क्लिफमा. हैन? थाकेको तिमी त?
Yeah, दुईटामा पुग्छ.
हो. म बोक्दिम?
No, it's fine.
हो. Let me be your Sherpa dai. हो. यति के भन्दै आजम के दिन लाग्यो के अझ एकछिन के गर्दै रहेछ भनेको त दिन लाग्यो ह
Surprise हुन्छ नि के
है देऊ त
किन भनेछु
हैन एकछिन भ्लगको लागि मात्र सो मैले चाहिँ अहिले दिपाको नि ब्याग बोक्दिछु हैन cuz I'm a gentleman भ्लग भइयो ल Hello
No, don't talk. Don't talk.
Hello little guy wanna be my friend actually have you subscribed to my channel please do yeah if you haven't
Wild rabbit.
go now you go
There's no use in grumbling when raindrops come trembling. Remember you're the one who can feel the rain with sunshine.
bye you ready huh?
Look me.
Okay, this is behind the scenes of Deepako TikTok. Follow us on TikTok, guys.
Be careful. Okay, ready? 3, 2. Okay. This is so good.
Uh-huh.
You did so well. I look so moody here, but you did so well. And I'm gonna post this one, okay?
High five. Hey! Sega handshake.
impressed.
Sega handshake.
I'm impressed.
Sega handshake.
Oh,
Looks really nice, eh? Yeah, what? Anyways, everyone, it is time for the drone shot.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.
We just changed our outfits, so maybe don't video once again. So don't video in 3, 2, 1.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you